Fintech is the integration of technology and finance, making the world a simpler place for businesses and consumers. We're seeing large corporations such as Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple creating all new payment technology, specifically in the mobile area. Why? Because it's much easier to do a transaction, specifically for small businesses. We're seeing Square, which is a public company owned and operated by Jack Dorsey, who's the founder of Twitter, making it just simpler for all types of businesses to transact. Major companies like MasterCard and Visa, which are the largest payment processors, are allowing a lot of people that are either underbanked or unbanked in emerging markets having the ability to access more capital or just access capital which was simply not available. Facebook, with the release of Libra, which is its own cryptocurrency, is making it easier for consumers to focus on how to transact directly on their own social platform, so you don't need to access a bank. Something similar happened when PayPal designed its first mobile app for email back in 2001, before it became an internet platform. So I think we'll see a lot more of these technology companies access and enter the finance space, particularly from the consumer side. The amount of data that's available in this space is unbelievable. Knowing when a consumer shops, where a consumer shops, what their preferences are. This is really, really important. Generally, taking out a credit card or using cash is actually an inconvenience. And having everything electronically managed and operated is a great way to make sure you're budgeting correctly. Having the computer know what kind of expenses you do regularly, make sure fraud is less likely to take place. The advancement of Google and Apple Pay have definitely made it easier since everybody has access to a smartphone. And we're just seeing the use of digital wallets making life much easier. I think the next step, being a consumer-driven economy in the United States, we'll see a lot more take place in the B2B marketplaces. And while there's definitely concerns for threat security, we definitely need better regulation and compliance. I think this is just making life much easier, and most importantly, it's reducing the cost and fees related to processing payments, and how a lot of banks have made money from fees in the past. This is changing the environment for sure going into the future.